disable automatic Firefox updates, open Firefox. Then go to three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, click on Settings. Now, you have to click on General, and on the Settings, you have to scroll all the way down until and unless you don't find the updates of Firefox. As you can see, we can see here the Firefox updates which have two buttons that says Show Update History and Restart to Update Firefox. In order to disable automatic Firefox updates, we have to click on Check for Updates, but let you choose to install them. Currently, it has been set to automatically install updates. In order to disable it, you have to check mark this button. And here it is said, do you want Firefox to continue with this update? So you have to click on the continue button. And once you have done that, you have successfully disabled the automatic update on Firefox. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.